Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in Frequently Asked Questions FAQ. Well, what is this assignment all about? Let's find out. The directions. Answer frequently asked questions FAQ 1 through 9 below. And here are questions 1 through 9 right here. Use the Q&A information below the questions to help you answer the questions. Here is the Q&A information here. Number your responses to the FAQ 1 through 9 and post them in this assignment. Okay, so let's scroll down and let's look at all this information here. Okay, we can see it. This is all the information that you need to know about the class. And let's click on the timeline. Let's find out when this assignment is due. We have the FAQ timeline. Submit your answers to the 9 questions by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. Okay, if you cannot meet this timeline, go ahead and message me in inbox. Let me know what's going on, and I'll do my best to help you resolve the problem, okay? I'm going to go ahead and click on the back arrow here. And I'm going to click on the assignment purpose. What is the purpose of this assignment? The purpose of this assignment is to provide an orientation to this class, how it's organized, what to read by what date, and how the teaching grading process is conducted. Okay, so this FAQ assignment has very important information that will help you to succeed in this course. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. You're never emailing me too much. Never worry about that. Email me as many times as you need to if this assignment is not clear to you. All right, let's have a productive lesson learning how this class functions with our FAQ assignment.